Flower gardening ideas for home. Transform your space with beautiful flowers. Have you ever dreamed of turning your home into a colourful paradise filled with blooming flowers? The good news is, you don't need a huge garden or expensive landscaping to make it happen. With a little creativity and the right flower gardening ideas, you can transform any corner of your home into a beautiful, relaxing space. Flowers don't just make your home look attractive, they also improve your mood, attract butterflies and bees, and create a peaceful environment. Whether you have a large backyard, a tiny balcony, a rooftop, or just a sunny window, there's always room for flowers. Let's explore some beautiful flower gardening ideas that anyone can try. Start by choosing flowers that suit your local climate. Healthy plants always produce more vibrant blooms. Popular choices include roses, marigolds, petunias, zinnias, pansies, geraniums, lavender, daisies, begonias, and chrysanthemums. Mixing different flower colours creates a lively and eye-catching display. Container gardening is one of the easiest ways to grow flowers at home. Use decorative pots, recycled buckets, ceramic planters, wooden crates, or even old teacups for small flowers. Arrange containers of different heights to create a layered and professional-looking flower display. If you have limited space, try vertical flower gardening. Hang flower pots on walls, install wooden shelves, use hanging baskets, or create a living flower wall. This saves space while adding beauty to balconies, patios, and small gardens. Window flower boxes are another charming idea. Fill them with colourful seasonal flowers that bloom throughout the year. Every time you look outside, you'll enjoy a vibrant splash of colour. Create a flower pathway by placing flowering plants along your garden walkways. Bright flowers on both sides of a path create a warm and welcoming entrance to your home. Mix flowers with green foliage plants for a balanced garden design. Different leaf textures and flower colours make your garden look fuller and more natural. A small flower corner with a comfortable chair can become your favourite place to relax. Add flowering pots, decorative stones, and solar garden lights to create a peaceful evening atmosphere. Hanging flower baskets are perfect for porches, balconies, pergolas, and patios. Flowers cascading from above create a stunning visual effect and save valuable floor space. You can also recycle old household items into unique flower planters. Old tyres, wooden pallets, broken chairs, watering cans, baskets, and unused containers can all become creative garden decorations while reducing waste. Create a butterfly-friendly garden by planting nectar-rich flowers. Butterflies and bees help pollinate plants while making your garden feel alive with movement and colour. Don't forget to group flowers according to their sunlight needs. Some flowers thrive in full sun, while others prefer partial shade. Giving each plant the right amount of sunlight helps it bloom beautifully. Regular watering is essential, but avoid overwatering. Water deeply during the early morning or evening to keep plants healthy while reducing water evaporation. Feed your flowers with compost or organic fertilizer every few weeks. Healthy soil produces stronger roots, greener leaves, and longer-lasting blooms. Remove faded flowers regularly. This simple practice encourages many flowering plants to produce even more blossoms throughout the season. Decorate your garden with small accessories like birdhouses, garden lanterns, colourful pebbles, miniature fences, or decorative signs. These simple touches make your flower garden feel warm and inviting. Seasonal flowers keep your garden fresh all year long. Change flower varieties with each season so your home always has new colours and beautiful blooms. Even if you're a beginner, don't be afraid to start with just a few flower pots. Gardening is a journey, and every flower you grow teaches you something new. Over time, your small collection can grow into a stunning home garden filled with beauty and life. The best flower garden isn't the biggest one, it's the one that's cared for with love, patience, and creativity. So gather your favourite flowers, prepare your pots, get your hands in the soil, and start creating the home garden you've always imagined. Every flower you plant today brings more colour, happiness, and peace into your tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these flower gardening ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful gardening inspiration, DIY garden projects, and easy plant care tips. Happy gardening!